Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around. Coming completely redesigned inside and out and looking very sleek, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, we have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck. So you have easy access to the back, and here you have seating for three comfortably with seats that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle you have two fold-out cup holders like so, with a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt power outlet there. And then looking into the front where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, moving on to the, actually having a look around the newly redesigned interior real quick, but then moving to the steering wheel, and on the right side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance, fuel economy, and then your comm screen. Can also go into your service information and all of that. And then on the left side you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom side of the steering wheel controls. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you can listen to whatever you want if you hook up your phone. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have a separate features screen for your driver assistance settings and your towing information and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors. It will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. With dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, so when your vehicle is sitting idle the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. And also your camera view without being in reverse if you just want to have a look. Do also have your hazards and your traction control shut off. Moving over to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your, that is for your manual mode. Also very comfortable. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical media controls and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for things such as normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right though, where you have a 12-volt and a USB with a USB-C. Then above that here you have a button to open this compartment above the glove box for some more storage. And then down below here you have a 12-volt as well as another USB and USB-C and a shelf where you can put your stuff while it's charging or whatever you want to do with that. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, a cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside for all of your stuff. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment with even more room, so plenty of room for all of your stuff in there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you like the fresh new look of the 2021 Ford F-150, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.